Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can play as Black in chess.com, so let's get right into it. Now, to play as Black, you need to actually play with a friend if you want to 100% guarantee you getting Black. If you play official games online or other types of variants of chess, if they're online, if they're player versus player, then you're going to get a random color and you don't get to choose. However, what you can do is play with friends or play with a computer, and then you'll be able to play Black. For example, if I go to my social and challenge my other account, as you can see, I can click play. However, I can also choose what I want to play as. I can choose random, I can choose white, or I can choose black. Just choose black, click play, and then wait for your opponent. And once your friend accepts, you'll be playing as Black. Now, if you go to play versus a computer, you just need to select a bot that you're going to be playing against. And for some reason, it's just searching. I don't know why. It's sort of slow and glitching out. But yeah, you can do the pretty much the same thing with a bot. You just need to play versus a computer. And as you can see, there is a server overload, so I can't really show you. But yeah, once you set up your bot, you can very easily just choose which color you would like in a similar looking menu to the previous one. And that's pretty much it. As it looks like it's still in a server overload. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.